Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can unlock the secret badge on the Valentine's Day quest on Dress to Impress. So first of all, you'll need to go to the first chapter. Make sure you've done everything because it will take time. So make sure you've done the quest before you do this. And I'm just going to skip this part, of course. You guys don't need to wait. Of course, I'm the only player. Let me in. There we go. I'm skipping this as well. And I'm going to skip the last bit. Okay, so there's going to be like a hidden room, like here somewhere, like behind the books, I think. But I'm just going to go to the person first. I'm going to skip this again, of course. Then you're going to light up all of the lanterns here. I've already done this, so I won't get the badge again, but I will show you where the like secret room is. There's 5 lanterns, so light up everything. This is key to opening the secret room, as you can see. Then you're going to mix these potions. Okay, first you'll need to do Moonlight. Which one is it? Oh, it's this one. And then I'm just going to mix it up. And then we're going to put that in. Next, we need to add in the enchanted water. And put that in. Next is vampire blood. Put that in. Next, we will need the ashes of Terratrus or something. I don't know what it's called. After that, we will need a phantom essence. And lastly, we will need to add in the unicorn hair. Then you're going to mix it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Whoops. And there should be like a badge notification. I did that already, so I'm just going to go back to the lobby here. And then I'm just going to show you guys like where the secret room is in the like Valentine's Day lobby. So let me just, okay, still loading. Gold, gold, gimme. I'm just going to go back to the Valentine's Day quest server. And it should be, actually I don't remember. Oops. Oh no, am I stuck here? I hate it when that happens. Well, it should be in one of those rows. I think it's in the chapter 2 row here. I'm just bugged. Wait, let me let me go back. I think it's in the chapter 2 section. I don't remember where it is, if I'm being honest. Is it in this area? Oh yeah, it is in the chapter 2 tunnel. So just press E and you're in. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.